Okay, so here we are in a 2006 f350 6.0 extended cab, trying to change the tire. So everybody knows to come back here. Normally you just stick it in that hole, but Ford come up with this anti-locking thing, like for the spare. So like, here's my code key or whatever it is. It'll never be put back on again. So luckily she found this in the glove box. Other than that, they said take a 14-inch or 14mm socket with a big extension and put it in the hole and beat it onto it. You feel it in there, all of a sudden you feel it, and then you just beat it on there. It's a 14. So, and then you just do your normal, crank it all the way down to the tire, comes down, and then you get your spare. But that's the tool. I don't care, everybody sees my license plate, who cares? You can see it when I'm going down the road doing 82 as I fly by you, but yep. It's pretty sad. After doing mechanics for 30 years, I had to get the stupid book out, which still really wasn't clear. So good luck. Hope this helps somebody.